Section 21 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 4, October 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Larry Wilson. Summary. King Bird of Paradise, Cincinnatus regius. Range, New Guinea and the neighboring islands. Peccary, Dicotyles torquatus. Range, from Arkansas to Brazil. This specimen was taken in Texas. Bottle-nosed dolphin, Tursiops tursio. Range, Arctic Ocean and the north of the Atlantic. Tufted puffin, Lunda cirrhata. Other name, sea parrot. Range, coasts and islands of the North Pacific, from California to Alaska, and from Japan to the Bering Strait. Accidental on the coast of Maine. Nest, in crevices of rocks, often without lining. Egg, 1. Armadillo, Tatusia novemcincta. Other name, peba. Range, from Texas to Paraguay. Red-headed duck, Ithia americana. Range, North America in general, breeding from California, Wisconsin, and Maine northward. Nest, on low grassy grounds near the water. Eggs, 7 to 10, grayish white to pale greenish buff, oval in form. Goldenrod, Solidago virga aurea. The name is common to all the species of the genus Solidago. End of Section 21. End of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 4, October 1898. This recording is in the public domain.